Want to perform calculations faster without constantly using your mouse? Windows Calculator supports a variety of keyboard shortcuts that let you navigate the app, perform calculations, and manage memory more efficiently. In this guide, I'll show you how to use keyboard shortcuts in Windows Calculator in 2026. First, click the Start menu, search for Calculator, and open the app. You can also press the Windows key, type Calculator, and press Enter to launch it even faster. Use your keyboard to enter numbers and perform calculations. The number keys plus, minus, multiply, divide, decimal point, and enter key all work just like the on-screen buttons. Windows Calculator also supports several helpful shortcuts. For example, press Escape to clear the current entry, Delete to remove the last digit, Ctrl+C to copy the result, and Ctrl+V to paste a number from your clipboard. If you're working with stored values, use the memory buttons together with your keyboard workflow. You can quickly store, recall, and update values while entering new calculations. Although many users switch modes with the mouse, you can also navigate the calculator interface using the Tab key and keyboard controls to move between buttons and menus. This can improve accessibility and productivity. Combining keyboard shortcuts with fast typing can save time when working with spreadsheets, budgeting, accounting, programming, engineering calculations, or school assignments. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become, and that's how to use keyboard shortcuts in Windows Calculator in 2026. Learning just a few shortcuts can make everyday calculations faster, smoother, and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.